Happy art thou, Israel, a people saved by the Lord. He's the shield of thy help, thy strength, thy sword, thy strength. The God of Jeshurun, there's none like the God of Jeshurun, who rideth upon the heavens, who rides on the sky. Shall dwell safely in a land of corn and wine, and the heavens shall drop dew from the sky, and Israel shall dwell safely in a land of corn and wine, shall drop dew from the sky.